Hey there folks, my name is Alex. My partner Megan and I wanted to fill our lives with experience, so we moved into our van Betty and hit the road. When we realized how much more we can do while living out of a van, we decided to go all in for the long run. After 6 months of living in the van and traveling around, we've decided we want to completely rethink, redesign, upgrade, and improve our van. We're doing a full rebuild. This is the Alex Build Stuff Show. It's the show where I build stuff and I show you.
Hi there folks, it's Alex here from the Alex Build Stuff Show. It's a show where I build stuff and I show you. Folks, this is a moving freight train and it ain't stopping, so let's get on with it. Choo-choo! Hey there folks, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate you guys following along on this Betty rebuild project of ours. Today is a little bit of a bonus episode. I've been just working on walls and ceiling all week and my body's sore, so I want to do a cabinetry project that will allow me to stand inside the shop. But before we do that, I want to tell you about the sponsor of this video. Today's sponsor is SetPower. SetPower fridges can be found in a number of Overlanders vehicles, such as Toyota World Runners, our friends Matt and Stacy, Runaway Matt and Cass, our friends Matt and Cass, Darren Explorers, and Down to Mob Overland, and now in Betty. Roamlndr. We chose the SetPower RV45S for a few key features. Its simplistic design, stainless steel hardware, the position of the control panel, and the little LED light in the main compartment, which is a small detail, but I do really appreciate it. As well, it has a really hefty compressor inside and this nice thick metal casing, which is good when you're banging around inside of your van. If you're in the market for a 12-volt fridge, SetPower comes with my recommendation. I think they're actually a really high quality product. If you're intending to get a refrigerator for your vehicle and you want to choose SetPower, make sure to use code Roamlndr at checkout for a 12% discount. So let's get on with it. So this right here is our old unit. Now we stored our pots and pans underneath here, and then we use this as our center console. We're doing the same thing, except I'm gonna kind of step it up a notch and make it a lot more functional, a little bit more lightweight. So out with the old, in with the new. Yeah. Well, that pretty much does it for that center console for now. I got 2 drawers on the bottom, I got cup holders up front, and I got a place for the refrigerator. I have to make a modification or two just so that the front chair will swivel properly, but once I'm done that, we'll be ready to sand, and I think we're going to clear coat it. So yeah.
So I kind of failed to mention one of the reasons that we needed a control panel that was down on the front of the refrigerator is because our old one, the control panel was up here and the light would illuminate the cab at night, and like the whole front of the cab was glowing blue, and it was really irritating. So now that control panel is out of the way. It's not gonna light up anything, but I can still see it easily. So yeah, great. I'm really happy with this design. Well, that is pretty much all for today, folks. I accomplished what I was looking to accomplish, which is building a rad center console and a place for the refrigerator. If this video helped you in any kind of way, let me know. I love to know how I've been helping people. It helps me tailor my content to help others. And if you guys want a SetPower fridge, remember, use that code Roamlndr at checkout for 12% off your entire purchase. So until next time, remember to keep on roaming. Later.